Alright, today we are making a little tree out of a piece of reclaimed oak from a pallet I got from my buddy. And so if you're interested in how I turn this, it's a quick turn, not a lot of instruction. I'm just going to show you my cuts and probably do it fast forward, so stick around. Alright, today we are making a Christmas tree. It's not necessarily a tree ornament, it's one that sits on the mantle that you get to really enjoy. It is 6.75 inches long. It is basically 2 1/4 across. Not quite down to round yet, and there's some splits in here. That's why I chose to make a Christmas tree out of this one. I'm going to shape it down, and there's 2 different styles of trees I've been making. The easy one, you just put slots in it with the parting tool. The harder one, you put slots in it with the parting tool and you cup it out. This is oak, which is kind of grabby, so I think I'll just do the first style where I'll just put rings on it. So we're going to go to round. We are going, oh yeah, this is a pallet, which is awesome. And there's some ornaments on the tree already. So we are going to take the, that'd be good to do it with the skew, but I don't feel like doing it with the skew. We're going to just whip it out with the Alright, so I've prepared the blank from a piece of rough looking pallet wood like this. People may think it's junk, but it just has some water stains on the outside. And I rounded it, put a tenon on it, put it in here. I have this on for security. I don't necessarily need the tailstock, but you know, wearing a face shield. Always wear my face shield now. We're going to just, nope. $2,400. Alright, so if you made it this far, we got this tree done. It was a fun little project. It's part of the 2018 Christmas ornaments. So thanks for watching, share, subscribe, tell your friends, and be safe. Aw, isn't that little guy cute? Now we are going to slather him in boiled linseed oil, which just is a really nice finish for just a natural kind of wood Christmas ornament feel. I was thinking about putting some Renaissance wax on it, but I think we'll just let him soak in some oil for a minute.